In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use flexible columns in Hubspot pages. Flexible columns are a simple way to build organized layouts on a page. Instead of placing each module directly onto the page canvas, you place a flexible column first, then add your content inside it. This helps you keep sections grouped together and makes it easier to adjust spacing and structure as your page grows. To get started, go to your Hubspot account and open the main navigation. Find Content, then click Website Pages. This takes you to the list of pages in your portal, where you can choose the page you want to edit. Next, click your page name to open it in the page editor. Give the editor a moment to load fully so the left sidebar and the editing canvas are both visible. Working from the editor view ensures you can drag and drop modules accurately. Now look to the left sidebar and click the plus Add button. This opens the module library, where you can browse or search for the layout and content modules available to you. From the available modules, find the flexible column module. Click and drag it onto your page. As you move it around, you will see placement indicators that help you drop it into the right section. Take your time here and place it where you want that grouped content to live. This column will act as a container for anything you place inside it. Once the flexible column is on the page, drag other modules into that column. For example, you can drag an image module or a text module directly inside the flexible column area. Make sure you drop each module within the boundaries of the column, not outside of it, so everything stays organized in the same section. After you place a module, you can click it to edit its content, such as uploading an image or entering your text, depending on what you added. When you are satisfied with the layout and the modules inside your flexible column, click Update to save your changes. Updating regularly is a good habit, especially after rearranging modules, so your latest layout is not lost. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.